Juan Martin Flavier, June 23, 1935. October 30th, 2014, was a Filipino physician and politician. He served as the Secretary of Health under President Fidel V. Ramos from 1992 to 1995 and was later elected to the Senate, serving from 1995 to 2007. Flavier was born in Tondo, Manila. He was born in a very poor family to semi-literate parents. He eventually moved to Baguio, where he finished his secondary studies at the Baguio City National High School. He is trained as a doctor and received his Doctor of Medicine degree from the Up College of Medicine at the University of the Philippines, Manila in 1960 and Masters in Public Health from the Bloomberg School of Public Health at Johns Hopkins University in 1969. He was known for his short stature at only 1.50 meters. Flavier went to serve poor rural barangays in Nueva Ecija and Cavite as a doctor to the Barrios. He was a country doctor for 30 years. His work was recognized and he was appointed president of the Philippine Rural Reconstruction Movement. In 1967, from 1978 to 1992, he was president of the International Institute of Rural Reconstruction. In 1992, Philippine President Fidel Ramos appointed Flavier Secretary of the Department of Health. During his term, he initiated various health programs such as Let's Do It, Yossi Kadiri, Oplan Alice Disease, Contra Cholera, Stop TB, Ara NG Sangkap Pinoy, Family Planning, and Doctor to the Barrios program. During his term, barangay health workers were organized. He served as Secretary of the Department of Health until 1995. He was regularly rated one of the most popular government officials and his department one of the most effective. He was perhaps the most popular Secretary of Health. Flavier wrote a regular newspaper column about his experiences as a doctor in the countryside, even while he served as health secretary. Flavier died of pneumonia-related sepsis and organ failure on October 30th, 2014. At the age of 79, he was admitted to the intensive care unit of the National Kidney and Transplant Institute in Quezon City as early as September 11th. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.